As Russia's most modern tank, the T-90M is seeing heavy losses due to more common usage. Russia can't produce them fast enough as they get destroyed almost immediately. Here showing another of Russia's T-90M tank that suffered heavy damage. As the turret is more or less destroyed, the Ukrainian drone operator couldn't help himself to drop another grenade to make sure the Russian tank can't be brought back into service or even used as scrap parts, causing the tank to smoke and burn more, making sure another of Russia's tanks is taken out, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.